change 326 into hexa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do it here. 326 to the base 10. We want it to be changed to hexa. So we are going to divide 326 divided by 16. Okay, 16 2s are 36. 0,
6.
remainder 6, correct? Next.
Sir,
Quotient
16 to 32, right?
32 ना? So we are left 6. So 6 remainder बच गया.
अच्छा, ठीक है. हाँ, okay.
अब
हाँ.
फिर से 16 से करो. 16 1 the 16, remainder is 4.
Yes, sir.
And then again do it by 16. 0, remainder is 1. So my answer is 146.
146. Yeah.
Correct?
Got it. Thank you, sir. Yes.
Hi,
Thank you.
Sir, sorry for the interruption.
Yeah,
Can you
please
give me a brief idea about what we are doing, because this is the first class of mine, so I don't have any idea like what we have
We
studied
did number system
in the last session.
Now we are going to do the logarithm and exponents.
And sir, this is related to what subject?
This is foundation of quantitative techniques. This is a foundation course. Foundation of QT.
Okay, sir, got it.
So
Okay.
I have one basic question. How do we get to know, like, when do we have to convert first to binary and then to some?
It will be given to you. If there's a problem like this, it will be given to you. See, from always you convert from decimal to the any number. Directly from decimal to octal you can do. But binary to octal, the only route is from binary to you have to come to decimal and decimal to octal.
So everything has first to be converted into
Yes,
binary and then.
No, you have to you must have a decimal with you.
Oh yeah, decimal and then we can
it.
convert it to anything.
Any numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So it's not mentioned anywhere, but this is the protocol. This is the method.
Okay.
So let's now. I'm going to share the PPT. Okay, so it's visible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, logarithm basically you must have done in class 8th, 9th, 10th. Maybe we do this in class 10th.
No, sir.
No, this is there for everybody, I know.
No,
anyway,
sir.
don't worry.
No, sir.
I have done a little bit in my CA course.
Okay, great.
Sir, I have done, but I don't remember it now.
No, not an issue. I am there to make you remember. Don't worry. It's my job. Okay. So you don't have to remember. But little bit I'm going to give an overview because we don't need much of logarithms anywhere. But you must be acquainted so that when you see logarithm in front of you somewhere in the courses, so ये नहीं है कि ये तो खैर क्या है, ये तो कोई और भाषा आ गई है ना. That is why. So we have to just make you acquainted with certain formulas and certain common formulas and everything. So let me just share. It will be better if I explain you on a whiteboard. It becomes easy. Now, so logarithms, there are certain formulas which there is a base of logarithm which is very important. If I simply write down log, suppose x. Now you see there is no base written here. And there is one thing, log x to the base 10. Now both are different. Do you think both are same or both are different? Tell me.
Both are different. Sir, both are different.
What is the difference between the two?
The base power.
Yes, correct. You are right. But what is the base in the first one? What is the base here?
1, sir.
One.
No, my dear. Someone said yes. Tell me. E. Yes, correct. Whenever there is no base is written, it is natural logarithms. It is always to the base e. So this is base e here. Okay. When no base is mentioned, it is assumed. It is not assumed. It is by default e only. Understand? If base is given, fine. Otherwise, base is not given. It is always e. Natural logarithm. E is exponential. Clear, everybody? So there are certain common formulas in logarithm. Before we actually start with logarithm, I'll quickly brief you a little bit about the exponents. Now,
Sir, can you
let us
please
suppose there is
mute
a
all because there
polynomial.
is disturbing sound coming in.
Okay, now it's clear. Audio.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So it's my request to all of you. Please don't start your audios. It is for your betterment. Otherwise, if the voice quality is not clear, it will be very different. We are sitting so far away from each other. So you have to cooperate with us. Okay. Now, if I take a polynomial, suppose x to the power n. Polynomial means the x is the base, n is what the power. Correct? You all know this? Now,
Yes,
if I multiply this polynomial by another polynomial, x to the power m. Now, what is the similarity between the two polynomials? The base of each are same, but the powers are what? Same or different?
different.
Now, when we multiply these two, my net result as per the exponent laws is
X to the power n plus m.
N plus m.
powers are added if the bases are same, then the powers are added. Correct? Okay, great. Now, if I divide x to the power n divided by, now what will be my net result be?
X to
X to the power m minus
M
n.
minus 1.
Yes. When you divide two polynomials, if the bases are same, then the powers are subtracted. Correct. So it will be x to the power n minus. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do one more formula. If it is x to the power n, it is raised to the whole thing is raised to the power n. What will be the result?
X to the power m into n.
Into m.
Yes, the powers are multiplied. In such situation. So my net result will be x to the power m. Everybody, ये सब पढ़ा था ना? You are going back to the memory lane
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Flashback.
Yes, sir.
So you will remember everything. Don't worry. It's very simple. Just okay. Great. Now let's take up a very small, simple type of question in this. Now one more thing. When I say, shall I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Please, if you have not copied, just quickly copy. I am rubbing this. Now, when I say under root x, what is the power of x here?
1 by 2.
Half.
1 by 2.
It is equivalent to x to the power 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2, half. Now, if I write it like this.
Sir, can you repeat this?
Now, under root x means x to the power half mathematically in the language of exponents. Okay? Under root of any number is the number raised to the power half, 1 by 2.
Okay, sir.
If I write it like this, and a 3 is written here, sign is same, then what does this mean?
1 by 3.
Cube root.
1 by 3.
Root of x, correct. So in that case, the power of x will be 1 by 3. Understand? And if I just simply write down x and a number n here.
So x power 1 by
X
N by n.
Power
1 by
n.
N.
Okay. This is a general understanding. Fine. If plain under root sign is there, then it is obvious. It is by default 1 by 2. This 2 is not written here. You don't need a 2 to be written here. It is by default 1 by 2. But for all other root, any other root, you have to write that number. Everybody is clear on this?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I write down to the power minus n, it is equivalent to what?
1 by x.
1 by
x power n.
x power n. Minus power will come in the denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, so this is the understanding. Fine. This is a very simple thing which you need to understand. Okay. Okay. So let's now take up. Let me just take out a problem for you, and we are going to take up a problem here. Just a moment. Okay, so let me just rub this and I'll give you a problem.
ऊपर बहुत दिक्कत है यार.
If it is x to the power 5 multiplied by under root x, okay, divided by x multiplied by. Now can you solve this, or shall I first do it and then maybe next time you can try it? Everybody can read this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Give us 2 minutes, sir, to solve this.
And I'll give you, but let me do this one for you. Next one you can try on your, because some of you may not understand it. Na? Let me do this one for you. Next you can do it on your.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's simplify it. X to the power 5 multiply by x to the power half. Correct?
1 by 2. Yeah.
X to the power 1 by 3 cube root multiply by x cube. Correct? So now if you take the numerator first, base are same, so powers will be added.
Added.
So x will be 5 plus half. X to power 5 plus half divided by x power 1 by 3.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, but there is still a lot of disturbance.
Oh, that is. Let me
Sir,
just.
just a suggestion.
Yes. I muted, but I know what happened.
Sir, you can mute everyone from your side also.
No, I
गीगा फाइबर है जो उसका 1 गीगाबाइट की स्पीड अभी कई जगह पे आ गया है.
Now it should be clear. Hello. Yes. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's solve this. Now numerator is x to the power 5 plus half. X to the power 5 plus half, when we add 5 plus half, it will be x to the power 11 by 2 or not? Correct? 5 plus 1 by 2, when you add 5 plus 1 by 2, it will be 11 by 2 or not? Tell me yes or no. Hello, yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Half 11 by 2.
Sir, I
Guys,
solved this and I get the answer x to the power 13 by 6.
500 मीटर मंदिर तक हो जाएगा.
Let's mute all of us. Guys, let's mute ourselves because sir करेंगे तो फिर हम reaction नहीं दे पाएंगे.
Please mute
You can
yourself.
only speak, please.
A request, please, all of you mute. It is for your betterment. Guys,
सलमान शाहरुख के फैन भी ऐसी
Now can you hear me? Okay. Please mute yourself.
Guys, please mute yourself.
There's still few who have not muted. Please mute.
Suraj,
Okay. Now
please
first off, we
mute
have done.
yourself.
So,
Suraj.
please mute. Please mute. Now when we solve numerator, it is x to the power 11 by 2, correct? Then next is x to the power. If I add 1 by 3 plus 3, what it will be? 10 by 3. Now when we divide this, if you see x to the power 11 by 2 divided by x to the power 10 by 3, now this is the division formula. So the bases are same, powers will be subtracted. Okay. So it will be like this. X to the power 11 by 2 minus 10 by 3. Now 11 by 2 minus 10 by 3, you take the LCM as 6. It will be
13 by 6.
x to the power what? 13 by 6. Correct.
30 by 6.
So this is the answer which we are getting. This is the answer which we are getting. So everybody is clear how to use these formulas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
okay, but fine. So let's now take up another on this. Now, if I give you like this, if I give you a small equation type thing, if I give you x to the power 7 is equal to x to the power 2a.
मैडम मोर को
If it is x to the power 2a,
अरे
x
रजनी
to the
जी
power 7
मोर
equal
का
to
ऑप्शन
x
आ रहा है
to
आपके
2a.
में
Now what
देखना
is the value?
है नीचे फिर कब आएगा वो अरे तो शेयर स्क्रीन में भी तो
Anurag ji, please mute yourself.
Yeah.
Anurag ji, please mute yourself.
ओके
Okay. Now guys, can you hear this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is
Yes,
the
sir.
value of
Yes,
a
sir.
here?
7 by 2.
7 by 2.
3.5.
Because in an equation, if the both side base are same, then we can equate the powers. Then we can equate the
3.5.
powers. Yes, because the base are same. So 2a is equal to 7 and a is 7 by. So this is also one of the rules of exponents. In an equation of the both left hand side and right hand side, if the base of the exponent is same, you can equate the powers. Okay? Correct? So let's move further on this and let us take some formulas of logarithms. This is clear exponent. Addition subtraction part is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let me just tell you common formulas of logarithms. Very common. Just to give you an overview. If I take log a, till some of you are talking, I think the audios are on. Only when I ask you something, please unmute yourself. Please keep it off. Equal to, the formula is log a plus log b. When the base is not given, it is e. Fine. It is log a b. A into b. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Chal. Next, log A minus log B. Then it will be equal to log A divided by B. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, if it is log A to the power n, okay, it is equivalent to
n log A.
yes, correct, n log A. Okay. Now, if it is log A to the power n plus log B to the power m, it is equivalent to n log A plus m log B. Correct? Same logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
If it is
Sir, I have a doubt. Like we did
Yeah.
this log A to the power n plus B to the power m is equals to n log A plus m log A.
m log B, yes.
Yeah. But in the first equation, we multiplied this. We multiplied the coefficient, right?
Yeah, we multiplied this, so we can do this way also. That is another thing. This is another form. You can do the other thing also. You're right. We can do this also. It is equal to log.
Okay.
Another form of this is A to the power n into B to the power m. This is equivalent to this also. You are correct.
Yeah, yeah. This was our. Thank you.
Both
Sir.
are same thing.
Okay.
Right? So this is another form. It is all three are the same thing. Okay? This formula is also used here. So I just simplified this, and further it can be. You can also write it in this form also. The same thing. Correct. Thank you for interrupting, telling this. Okay. So let's now just quickly go on to the slide, and I just want to show you one more thing. Some problem is here. Yeah, it has come. Okay. Now yes.
So can we also have this PDF sheet?
Yeah, I'll share with you everything. I'll share you all the PPTs with you. Don't worry. After this class, I'll mail you everything.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry.
Thank you.
Fine. So you'll be getting all the study material with you. But just let me just clear it. Okay, great. So let us now take up the base changing formula, which I wanted to discuss with you. Now, if I take log A to the base B, and I want to change this logarithm to base E. Now this is what log A to the base B. I want to change it to this log into base E. So I'm going to use the base changing formula. So this A to the base B is equal to, I have to change it to E. It will be log, just a minute. It will be log A to the base E divided by log B to the base E. This is the formula. Clear this? Log A to the base B is equal to log A to the base E divided by log B to the base. So equivalent of this is this. Correct? So this is the base changing formula. Everybody have written this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So now I'm going to tell you one or two more things, and then we have to take up one or two practice problems. Okay. Now, just if log 100, value of 100 to the base 10. Tell me. Anybody can tell me what is the value of 100 to the base 10? Yes, guys, can you tell me?
Sir, is it 100?
Yeah, 100 to the base 10.
So sir, is it 100? Answer is 100?
Answer is 2. No, it's 2. Now let me tell you how. See, log like this. 10 ko I can write it down 10 square. Correct?
Right.
Okay. Now I can then further simplify it. 10 square log 10 square to the base 10 ko I can write it out. Power will come outside 2 log 10 to the base 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is a formula log. If log a to the base a is always 1. If the base and this number are same, the value of that logarithm is always 1. Okay? This is a very important. You can also write it down. Log a to the base a is 1. So here a is 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is what? 1.
1.
So the
Yes,
answer
sir.
is
2. 2 log.
correct.
2. Yes, sir.
Log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Na? So it will be just answer will be 2. Now if I say similarly 1000, what will be the answer? Straight away you can write down. Tell me.
3.
3.
3.
Understand? So because this is the fundamental logic behind this, log a to the base a is 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Shall I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I do write it down, log suppose x to the base a can be any number, is equal to y. Okay. Then my equivalent will be this. In that case, my x, the value of x will be a to the power y. Write it down. Understand this. If log x to the base a is equal to y, then x is equals to a to the power y. Okay. Now see, there is a derivation for this, but I don't want to give you so much, confuse you with so much of derivations. Just understand this formula. If x to the power log x to the power a is equal to y, then the value of x is a to the power y. This goes here. Y becomes the power of this base. Clear? This formula is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us now,
Yes, sir.
Repeat once again.
please guys mute yourself. Okay, so let us now
Requesting you to please.
let me just write down a problem for you. Okay, now I'm going to write down a question here. Log 3/4 minus log 9/4 plus log 81/8 plus log 3 log 2 by 3. I'll just repeat. Log 3 by 4 minus log 9 by 4 plus log 81 by 8 plus 3 log 2 by 3. You have to simplify and find out the answer of this. Please, would you like to try this?
Yes, sir. We are trying.
I'll give you a hint. Answer is 0. How many of you are getting as 0 as the answer?
Just
try it. I'm giving you time.
Just
Please try.
Yes, sir, I'm getting 0.
0. Okay.
So am I.
Okay. Okay. Some of you are getting 0. We'll take 1 or 2 minutes and then I'm going to do it.
Yes, sir, getting 0.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. The answer is 0.
So please raise your hands who are getting 0. Show a reaction so that I can know. As of now, 6. Okay. 7. Yeah, the number is increasing. Very good. So let me do it here also for the benefit of the others also. See, what we have to do is we have to simply use the formula log A by B thing. Okay. So log 3 by 4 is equivalent to log 3 minus log 4, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now log 9 by 4 is equivalent to, minus sign is outside, it will be log 9 minus log, see it will be, minus will become plus because there is a minus outside now. Because log 9 by 4 it will be equivalent to log 9 minus log 4, correct? So when the minus is outside, the whole thing bracket term will be multiplied by minus, so it will be becoming what? Minus log 9 plus log 4. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Plus log 81 minus log 8. Okay. Now it is 3 log 2 by 3. Now it is, now 3 will be, when you simplify it, 3 will be raised to the power of 2 by 3 or not, correct? Because the same formula, n log a is equal to log a to the power n. Ulta bhi hota, I told you log a to the power n is equal to n log a, and vice versa also, reverse is also true. N log a is equivalent to log a to the power n. So here 3 will be raised to the power of 2 by 3. So when a 2 by 3 will be raised to power of 3, numerator will become what? 8 or not? See, it is like this. 2 to power 3 to the power 3.
Yes, sir.
Hai na?
Yes,
So
yes.
it will be what? 8 2 to the cube divided by 27. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So it will be plus log 8 minus log 27. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let us simplify it further, because you see there are certain multiples. Now let us try to reduce everything to 3 and 2, log 3 and 2. We can easily do it. How? Now this is log 3. 4 can be written as 4 square or not? 2 square or not?
Yes, sir.
So when I write, instead of 4 I write 2 square, it will be 2 square, and when simplified it will become 2 log 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now minus 9 can be written as 3 square.
Yes, sir.
So it will be
3
log 3. Oh, sorry, 2 log. Sorry, 2 log 3. Sorry. 2 log 3 plus 4 can be written as 2 log
2.
2. Correct? Plus 81 is multiple of 3. 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 is what, 81 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So 81 can be written as 4 log
3.
3. Okay? Minus 8 can be written as 3 log 2. It is 2 cube. 8 is okay. Plus log 8. Log 8 can again it is log 8. It is
3 log 2.
Log 2 only. Minus 3 log 27 is 3 cube. 3 log 3.
3.
Now if you just simplify it, you will see everything will cancel out. Okay? You have to use the BODMAS thing, addition, first and subtraction. You will do everything. You will see all the things. This is cancelling out. Okay? So if you add and subtract everything, you will get this as 0.
Can we do a simpler method? Like, can we do it like we should put log in the starting and then in the bracket 3 by 4 multiply by 4 by 9
See,
multiply
if
by
you have
81
any
by
other
8.
method, you get the same answer. I have no issues.
Like
There are
in
different
one
methods
step
of doing
only,
it.
then we can multiply, divide, and they all get cut out.
Yeah, I know. I have taken a very simple method for you. This is the simplest, and it's a lengthy method also. I understand. But just to explain you all, I have taken this approach. Otherwise, if you are expert on logarithms, you can use the other approach. You will get the same answer. Okay. So objective is to prove it equal to 2. So this is how we get it. Clear? Shall I erase the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to take up one more. We have just 8 minutes. Let's try to take up another problem. Okay, now this is the problem. See, log (64) multiply by 5th root of 4. Okay, to the base. Now the base is given. I'm writing the base is 4 root 2. Now let me explain to you. Log 64 multiply by 5th root of 4 to the base 4 root 2. 4 multiply by root 2 is equal to x. Find the value of x. You want to try it or shall I do it?
Please do it.
We'll try. We'll solve
I
it.
know.
We'll try it.
Please do it,
I
sir.
do it. See, now I told you a formula that if (8) is equal to x, okay, then a is equal to b to the power x. This is the formula. If a to the base b, log a to the base b equal to x, then a is equal to b to the power x. Now in this question, if I see what is a, this whole thing is a. My question is a is 64 multiplied by 5th root of, this is a. What is my b? This is my b. b is 4 root 2. X is x only. So I can use this formula here clearly. So my a equal to b to power x. So it means 64 multiplied by 5th root of 4 is equal to b. Sorry, not b. I'll have to just rub it on. It will be 4 root 2 to the power x. Correct? Clear? Okay. Now, let us simplify it. Let us now try to put everything in the power of 2. Now, 64 is what? 2 to the power 6, na? 64 is 2 to the power 6 or not?
Yes, sir.
Multiply by 4 will become 2 square. 4 will be 2 square. Now 2 square raised to the power, when the 5 is outside the root sign, the power is what, 1 by 5 or not? Yes, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It will be 2 to the power 2 by 5. Because 4 will be what? It is like this. See, 4 will be what? 2 square raised to the power 1 by 5. So powers get multiplied or not? I told you this formula. A to power m to the power n is a to power mn or not? Okay. So 2 square raised to the power 1 by 5. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 2 by 5, which I have written here, is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square into 2 to the power half to the power x. Okay. Now let us use the addition formula. Bases are same in the left hand side. So what will be the, it is equal to 2 to the power 6 plus 2 by 5 will be what?
32 by 5.
32 by 5, correct? Is equal to, if I write it here, power of 2s are 2 plus half, it will be 2 to the power 5 by 2 raised to the power of x. Yes?
Sir, I have a small doubt. Like in
Yeah,
this, sir, is it 4? Like in the first line,
yeah, 4.
2 under root to 4 is inside this under root, or 4 is in the multiplication of this?
4 is in the under root. Under root 4, fifth root of 4. It's not under root actually. It is fifth root of 4. Because I have written 5.
I'm talking about the equation which is after
right,
equals to.
right side. Yeah, it is 4 is outside. 4 multiplied by under root 2.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Now, when we get this, let us simplify it further. So it will be 2 to the power 32 by 5 equal to, now on the right hand side the powers will get multiplied. It will be 2 to the power 5x by 2. Now the bases are same. Equate the powers. So when I equate the powers, what I get?
$64 by 25.
64 by 25.
Yes. So x is equal to 64 by 25.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer. Okay. So this is we apply logarithms and exponent. That's why because they are used together. That's why we covered both the topics together. So these are some common formulas. I know within a 45 minutes, it's not easy for you to grasp everything. So what you can do is, the videos of this will be shared on the Quick Force by end of the day. You can watch the whole lecture, video recording of this lecture also. Okay. It will be helpful to you. Plus I'll be sharing the PPTs also for your reference. Okay. Rest.
Thank you,
Something must have gone into your mind also, little bit.
So you are going to give your number.
Your recalling power is there, so it will be helpful. So I have this clear.
So there is one common query that's out of the topic.
Yes, yes.
Sir, is there any group formed of the students in which we can discuss if there is any query regarding the assignments?
Yeah, like we have just
We've just created a group in the break. You can
See that I think the course faculty will be, who's teaching you, will be facilitating that. You can discuss this with the course faculty. Now I'll just write down my number, just a moment, so that you know my number also. My mobile number is 8860601868, and my name is Jasdeep Chadha. Okay. Now I am available on WhatsApp also. You can call me also. If there is any doubt in anything you are practicing,
group has been formed.
Is there any group that has been formed? If
as of now, no. As of
now, there's no.
Formally form a group.
In the break.
We've just actually created a group of all the students of section
You can
B.
add me in that.
Okay, can you add me in that if that's okay?
No, I'll just give my number and then I'll share the link and you can add yourself.
Okay. Yeah,
It is
please
a WhatsApp
share your
group.
number.
Yeah, please do.
It is a WhatsApp group.
Sorry, sir.
It is a WhatsApp group which you have formed.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please give me your number?
Yeah.
Share your number.
6395
6395
32
32
4739.
4739. What is your name?
Ria.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you so
Thank you, sir.
Sir, are you there on WhatsApp with this number?
Yeah, I am on the WhatsApp. You can add me there, or you can WhatsApp me the problem. Any
Sure, sir.
not
Sure.
issue, I'll reply.
Sure, sir. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you so much.
फोन तेरे कने रहने किसने रहने ऑन करे नहीं भाग जाए खाली